Hello everyone, this is Mr. Kessler teaching you how to solve quadratic equations by taking square roots. So our objective is to solve quadratic equations by taking square roots. Most quadratic equations have two solutions. The solutions to a quadratic equation are known as x-intercepts, zeros, and roots. I'll teach you how to find the roots by taking the square root of both sides. So the steps are, first you have to solve for the x squared, and then you take the square root of both sides. It's as simple as that. So in this case, we have 2x squared plus 3 equals 75. So your first step is to get the x squared by itself. We're going to subtract 3 from both sides, which leaves us with 2x squared equals 72. Next, we got to divide by 2 to leave the x squared all by itself equals 36. Now that you've isolated the x squared, now you can take the square root of both sides. Taking the square root of x squared will leave you with just x. On the other side, you have to remember that negative 6 times negative 6 also equals 36. So we've got a plus 6 or a minus 6 as your two solutions. Now, take a look. I'd like you to give it a try. Pause the video and give it a try. Okay, I hope you've given it a try. Here we go. To identify the solutions to the equation. So your first step in the number 1 was to isolate the x squared term. So we had to add 7 to both sides and then divide by 3, which left us with x squared equals 4. Take the square root of both sides. You've got, x squared equals positive or negative 2. And on the other side, 2 times the quantity x plus 3 squared equals 50. First, I divided both sides by 2. Because I did not want to distribute that 2 because that's an x plus 3 squared quantity. So divide both sides by 2, which left me with x plus 3 quantity squared equals 25. If I take the square root of both sides, I end up with x plus 3 equals positive or negative 5. And then you have to solve both equations. And finally, your solutions are x equals 2 and x equals negative 8. My niece, Alex, thought that I not only looked like Greg from the Wiggles, that I actually was Greg from the Wiggles. It's not true. Finally, complete the 9.3 quick check on Google Classroom. To complete the quick check, you got to get a perfect score. Keep taking it as many times as necessary. Good luck.